Static AI has limits. To make discovery precise, we need Retrieval-Augmented Generation or RAG. engicloud.ai allows you to ground your LLMs in real-world data by building a custom searchable knowledge base in real time. In this project, we are going to explore how we ingest raw web content from Google Slides, transform them into high-dimensional vectors, and use them to answer complex engineering questions with zero hallucinations. We'll be using OpenAI for embeddings and Pinecone for our vector database. Security is handled at a platform level. In engicloud, you don't handle sensitive tokens. The platform manages the secure API handshake in the background. You simply save your OpenAI and Pinecone keys in your user settings, giving each a unique name. In the calculator, you call that key by its name, and engicloud injects it securely into the execution environment. Let's look at the code. We've built a custom fetcher that detects Google Slide URLs. If it finds one, it triggers and exports to PDF, which we then parse using PDF Plumber. To ensure the LLM gets high-quality context, we use a sliding window chunking strategy. Each chunk is converted into a 1536-dimensional vector using OpenAI's text embedding 3 small model and store it in a Pinecone serverless index. Now for the retrieval. When we submit a query, what is the height of the silo? The system embeds the question and performs a cosine similarity search in Pinecone. Notice how we clean the metadata here. We extract the raw text and scores into a plain Python list. This gives us the top 5 most relevant snippets from our documents. Finally, we pass those snippets into the RAG block. We feed the context and the question into the GPT model with a strict system prompt. Answer using only the context. This eliminates hallucinations and ensures the answer is grounded in our specific project data. As we run the script, you can see the results populate, the exact score, the source URL, and the final answer. From raw URL to verified number. This is how engineering knowledge stays alive and actionable. Explore, execute, and curate in one place. engicloud.ai, the world's wisdom in one modeling platform.